Hi children, come we will see the next topic. Take your textbook, take page number 202. Okay. Energy. Now we are seeing the third chapter. Okay. Come we will see the next topic, energy. See, we know when you apply force of an object, okay, when you apply force on an object and do some work, your body uses some energy. Okay. So, to what? To apply force we need energy, no children. Without energy can we apply force? If we are tired, if we have what? Fever like that. See, we may tell, Ma, I do not have energy to take that class, please give it to me. Okay. Like that you will tell to your mom, no children. So, why? That what is that? So, we need energy to do some work, no, to apply some force on it. Okay. So, to move a table, you apply force and for that your body uses energy. Your body uses the produced energy from the food you eat, no, without eating. See, you may tell, say I do not want food, your mother will tell, see you want energy to go to school, no children, so you eat food so that you will get energy, so that you can walk and you can go to school. Like that your mother will tell, no children, so that, see, why? So that we need energy to do whatever work, okay, whatever we want to do work, okay. So, when you run or walk, you burn food energy in your body, okay. What? When you run or walk, you burn food energy in your body. That means what? While walking and all, the food what we had, no, that gives energy, that you know, no, yeah, okay. The nutrients from the food absorbed by the blood in your body and it takes the energy from it, okay. So, a moving car uses energy from the fuel it burns. See, if you take what? That we know. See, our body takes energy from the food what we eat. Okay. If you take a car, how it moves? It takes energy from the fuel. Okay. It burns. Okay. From the petrol, diesel, what we store it. No, that is used for what? To give energy to the car or a vehicle. Okay. Understood. And wind had energy, therefore it can move sailboats. And the sailboats that you know, no, it is what? With the help of the wind, it moves. That you know, no children. See here children, these are all nothing but the sailboats. What are these? These are all the sailboats. They get, for the motion of that sailboat, they get what? These sailboats with the help of the wind energy, okay. Wind energy, it will move, okay. See. These what? Sailboats do not have motors in it, okay. With the help of the wind, okay. See, it will move, no. See, this will help it to move in that direction, the direction of the wind, okay. So, to do some work or to move something, what is needed children? Energy is needed, okay. And if you take our body, we get energy from the food what we eat, okay. And the fuels like what? Petrol, diesel helps the what? Car to move, okay, move. Like car, train and aeroplane and all, what? They get energy from the fuel, okay. Understood children. So, the energy is the ability to do work. So, to do work, whatever the thing, it needs energy. So, energy is the ability to do work. Without energy, it won't do there won't be any work done, okay. So, energy is the ability to do work. Come, we will see the forms of energy, okay. What are the forms of energy? Heat energy, solar energy, chemical energy, electrical energy and mechanical energy are some common forms of energies, okay. So, the energy will be in the form of heat energy, solar energy, chemical energy, electrical energy and mechanical energy, okay. Come, we will see about the energies one by one, okay. Heat energy, it is obtained by burning things like wood, coal and fuel like gas, petrol and diesel. This is also called thermal energy, okay. It is also called what? Thermal energy, okay. This energy is obtained by burning what? Things like wood. If you if you take wood like this and if you lit it, what will happen? Fire will come, no. From that we will get what? Heat energy. That is also called what? We will get heat. Fire, no, from that we will get heat. No, that is called what? Heat energy, okay. That it is, and also it is also called as thermal energy. So, heat energy is obtained by burning things like wood, coal and fuels like gas, petrol and diesel, okay. Understood children? This is also called thermal energy. See, in our houses we use gas, no, LPG, okay, liquid petroleum gas. Wow, see, by igniting it, what will happen? We are using lighter, no, that by igniting it we will get what? Heat energy. To what? To cook food and all we need that. What we need? Heat energy. To cook food, what we need? Heat energy. Using that, what? By burning the gas, we are getting heat energy to cook food, no? Yes, okay, and the petrol and diesel we are using for moving our vehicles, no? Understood children? Come, we will see the next energy, that is nothing but solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that we obtain from the sun. See, from the name itself, where we are getting it? From the sun, okay. Solar energy is the energy that we obtain from the sun. It is used by the plants to prepare food for all living things on the earth. That we know, no children? Without sun, plants can't produce its food, no? Yeah, plants need sunlight to produce its food, okay. So, to prepare food, okay, to prepare food, that means it prepare food, okay. Plants prepare their food, okay. So, plants need sunlight to prepare their food, okay. Understood? Solar heaters, solar cookers and solar powered bulbs work on solar energy. Understood children? It can also be used to generate electricity. See here children, this is nothing but the solar water heater that you may see on the rooftops or on your terrace, no children, on on your neighbor's terrace, no. This is nothing but the what? Solar heater, okay. Here this heater is using the solar energy, okay, solar energy to heat the waters, okay, and even solar cookers are there, and water, electricity is what produced using this solar energy or using the solar panels in a large area by keeping big solar panels, okay, and taking the energy, solar energy, it is converted into what? It is used to generate electricity also. Understood children? That you know, no, solar heaters and all you can see on the terrace of the water. You can also use in your home, okay, to reduce the electricity, EB bill, what current bill, no, like EB bill, current bill, like that. So that if you are using this solar what heaters, what instead of using electricity, okay, you may use the energy of the solar, okay, sun, okay, from the sunlight the water get heated using the by placing the solar panels on your terrace using the solar heaters. Understood children? So, this is nothing but solar energy, one type of energy, okay. Come, we will see the next one, next type, that is nothing but the chemical energy. See, chemical energy is the energy stored in substances. See, batteries, petroleum, natural gas and coal are examples of stored chemical energy, okay. See, the batteries and all small, what for you, batteries you will use for the toys and all, no, for the clock, that is the what? Chemical energy. It is stored in the form of substances in it, okay, in the form of chemical substances, okay. Inside the battery, the chemical energy is stored in the form of substances, okay. And if you take what for UPS and all, if you take at home, they are placing batteries, big batteries will be there, okay. Understood? So, in that the energy is stored in the form of what? Chemical energy in substances, okay. See, when they react, the energy releases in some other form, okay. Striking a match, burning wood, etc. give out heat and light energy, okay. See, if you burn wood, it will give what? Heat as well as light, okay. Understood? It will get light, no children. See, if the current goes off at your home, you will what? You will light up the matchbox, no, what will happen? It will give heat. That heat we can use it to light the stove also, and we can what? We will get light also, okay. We will ignite the stove as well as we will get light. So, we get heat as well as light energy, okay. So, food also has chemical energy stored in it. This energy is released during digestion of food, and even food also have chemical energy, okay. We will get, while digestion we will get what? The chemical energy will be what? Obtained through from the food. Understood? This energy is released during digestion of food. Understood children? So, even the food also has chemical energy stored in it. Okay. So, during digestion what happens in our stomach? The digestive juices are present in our stomach. Okay. So, what will happen? This due to the digestive juices, it will react with our food and the chemical reaction will take place and the food will be broken into smaller particles. Okay. And this will be absorbed by the blood. Okay. So, that we will get energy. Okay. Understood, children? Come, we will see the next energy, that is nothing but the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy produced by moving objects. It is the form that we most see around us. All moving objects produce mechanical energy. So, it is the energy that produced by the movement, okay, of the objects. See, if you take this washing machine, what type of energy here? See, we are switching on the, see, if we switch on your washing machine, what will happen? The electrical energy will apply to the run the motor. Okay. So, what happens here? The what energy? See, what happens? The mechanical energy will be produced here and that will help to make the what cloths washing cloths will is happening here due to this movement of the water drum. Okay. And if you take grinder, mixture and all, see mixie like that, if you take at your home, if you switch on, if you apply water, if you give energy electrically, if you switch on this water, grinder or a mixer, what will happen? The motor in it will move, okay, and it moves the stones or a blade in the mixer or a grinder. What will happen? Here this what motion, that means the moving objects gives what energy? Mechanical energy, okay. Due to that the grinding of water, flour, rice or whatever you put in the grinder or mixer happens. Okay. So, here what energy is supplied? Mechanical energy. See, now the next is electrical energy. Okay. Electrical energy is obtained from electricity. This energy lights our homes, runs motors and makes our televisions work. Okay. So, without electricity, water in our house nothing will work. Okay. When the geyser will get switched off, okay, and the washing machine won't work and even what the lights will get off, okay, and we can't able to see anything on the TV. So, the electrical energy what? It is obtained from the electricity. Okay. So, this energy lights our homes, runs motors and makes our televisions work. Understood, children? And energy can be converted from one form to another. So, one energy can be converted into another form of energy. See, for example, solar energy is converted to chemical energy when plants make food. Okay. That means what? The plants take the sunlight and it produces what? Food. It prepares its food. Okay. So, here solar energy is converted to chemical energy when plants make food. Okay. When we run or play, the chemical energy from the food we eat is converted into mechanical energy. Okay. So, we are running, no, the motion up, what occurs here. Okay. By what? We are using the chemical energy in our body to what? For our movement, that is the for mechanical energy. So, here the chemical energy from the food we eat is converted into mechanical energy. Understood, children? When we switch on an electric bulb, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Okay. When we switch on water, an electric bulb, electrical energy is converted into light energy. And if we switch on a washing machine, here the electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Okay. The machine runs here, no. So, the motion occurs, no. So, here the electrical energy is converted into what? Light energy. So, energy can be converted from one form to another form. Understood, children? Okay. So, come we will see about sources of energy. Where we are getting this type of source, what energies, that come we will see that. Sun is the main source of energy. So, which is the main source of energy? Sun. Most of our energy comes from the sun in one way or another. We get light energy and also what? We get what? Solar energy from the sun, no? Yes. So, we get light from the sun, no? Yes. So, here what? Sun is the main source of energy. Most of energy comes from the sun in one way or another. Okay. See, from the what? solar energy, what the plants prepares its food, no, here that solar energy is what converted into chemical energy. So, in this way the sun is the main source, from it the what most of the energy comes from the sun in one way or another, okay, indirectly or directly, what the sun, what the energy we get it from the sun, okay. And fuels such as coal, oil, petrol, etc. are an excellent source of energy, okay. When you take fuels, no, coal, oil, petrol and all, see this energy is released by burning them, okay. We use these fuels to run vehicles, cooking, heating homes, etc. Okay. And we know, no, we are using these energies to run vehicles, cooking, water, to prepare our food and all, and to heating, to heat what? Homes and all, okay, understood. Fuels like coal, oil, petrol, like that, okay, understood children. These are all the excellent source of energy. So, we use these fuels to run vehicles, cooking and heating homes. See, if you take America, Europe and all, it will be very cold over there. So, what most of the time in the year, it will be very cold. So, that what they can't able to live in that cold. So, for that they need to heat their homes. That means what? Like heater and all we use, no, for temporary uses in our homes, like air conditioner, in AC itself the heating water option also there, okay. Heater we can use for light what? For a limited time, okay. So, but in here these cold countries they need to heat their homes in winters and in this water, yeah, well, in cold conditions. So, they are using these fuels such as coal, oil, petrol, like that to heat their homes, okay. Understood children? That is the meaning of the heating homes, okay. Come we will see the next energy, that is wind energy. Wind, even wind also has energy. Wind blows and makes a sailboat move, okay. Farmers use windmills for pumping water, okay. They are using the wind energy to convert it into electrical energy for pumping water, okay, from the water wells, okay. So, fast moving wind turns the blades of a wind turbine and produces electricity. See here, these are all nothing but the wind turbines, okay. Fast moving wind turns the wind turbines, and from this this energy is here, the wind energy is converted into electrical energy. Understood children? See here, these are all the wind turbines. The fast moving wind, no, okay. If we are placing these wind turbines in the windy places, okay, where the wind will be more, if we place it there, the fast moving air will turns the turbines of this wind, okay, blades of the turbines, okay. And what will happen? From this wind energy, the electrical energy is produced, and we may use that electrical energy for many purposes. Understood children? So, fast moving wind turns the blades of a wind turbine and produces electricity. Come, we will go to next page children. And water in dams falls from a great height and spins the turbines very fast to produce electricity. See, electricity produced by water is called tidal power or hydroelectricity, and even from water also we can produce water electricity. How? See, water in dams, what happens? Okay, it falls from a great height and spins the turbines, okay, very fast to produce electricity, okay. In this way, the tidal power produced from the water, thus electricity produced by water is called tidal power or hydroelectricity. See here children, this is the tidal power plant, that is here the water energy from the water, force of the water, no, they are producing the electricity, okay. They are using the force of the water and to rotate to move the turbine, okay, and from that they are producing electricity. This is nothing but the tidal power plant, okay, and the electricity that is produced from the water is called tidal electricity. Understood children? So, from fuels like coal, oil, petrol, and from wind and even from water we can produce water energy, we can get energy. These are all the sources of energy, natural sources of energy. Understood children? These are all the which is naturally available. The wind, water, sun and all is natural, we can get natural. So, these are all the natural sources of energy. Understood children?